Hi there. Today I'll show you how to use the fitness tracker template, which can be purchased on our website, SpreadsheetsHub.com. It helps you track your workouts, monitor your daily meals and nutrients, and stay consistent with your fitness and health goals, all in one place. Before getting started, take a moment to read the instructions on the first page. They'll guide you through how to use the template effectively. The first step shows how to specify the main categories for fitness and meal tracking. The next step shows how to plan your monthly training calendar and analyze your progress over time. The step shows how to create a detailed weekly training plan. The next section shows how to log your meals and review your nutrition summary. Go to the settings sheet. In the main categories table, you can define up to 15 fitness categories. For example, cardio, back, and shoulders. You can also create your own category and list the exercises for it. Let's enter some examples of exercises for the cardio category. Enter exercises for the back category. Enter exercises for shoulders. List exercises for this category. You can also enter the legs category and specify the exercises for it. You can specify 30 exercises for each category. Next, move on to the meal and nutrition log section. In the section, you can log your meals for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Let's enter a few examples. It is possible to specify over 900 types of dishes in each section. After specifying the main categories, go to the calendar view sheet. Before filling in the data, choose the year and month. In the calendar, you can plan your training for the month. The drop-down list is generated based on the categories specified on the settings sheet. Let's fill in the training plan. Check the box when you complete an exercise. All charts on the sheet update automatically. In the weekly progress section, you can see your training progress. The model is in English by default, but if you want to translate the tables into another language, you can use our TranslateHub tool. It's quick, accurate, and super easy to use. You'll find the link in the description below. Let's return to the model. The block shows the summary data for the workouts. The monthly progress chart shows the percentage of workouts completed, helping you track your consistency and stay motivated throughout the month. The chart lets you visually analyze the number of planned workouts, completed workouts, and rest days. The training categories chart shows the number of workouts in each category. The chart provides a clear overview of your training structure, helping you see which areas you focus on most and maintain a balanced routine. Go to the weekly tracker sheet to plan a detailed training routine. On this sheet, you can create your weekly training plan. For convenient planning across multiple weeks within the same Google spreadsheet, the sheet can be duplicated. Begin planning by selecting the period. In the daily blocks, you need to select categories and exercises. Next, you can enter data in the columns. If not needed, leave the column blank. Days without training can be marked as days of rest. Let's enter more examples. Check the box when you complete the exercises. The charts above helped analyze the results of a week's training. In the progress section, you can analyze the progress of your planned workouts. The training categories chart shows the number of workouts by category. The workout types chart shows the structure of workouts by category. The workout summary chart shows the structure of the week by day, with and without workouts. You can also add notes if needed. Go to the meal and nutrition sheet. On this sheet, you can plan your meals for the month. First, select the year and month. In the daily blocks, you need to select dishes for each meal. Drop-down lists are generated based on the data specified in the settings sheet. For each meal, be sure to enter calories, protein, fat, sugar, and carbohydrates. Let's enter more examples. This allows you to record nutritional information for every day of the selected month. To make things easier for you, the input cells are highlighted in light blue and the formula cells that update automatically are marked in pink. It's best not to change the formula cells as this could disrupt the calculations. These cells are also locked for protection. If you still decide to modify a formula, just enter your data. And click OK when prompted. The formula will be updated. In the Excel version, you can unlock the sheet without a password if needed, but we recommend leaving the formulas untouched to ensure everything functions correctly. Use the charts above to analyze your nutrition. The nutrition summary table shows the total data for calories, protein, fat, sugar, and carbohydrates. It helps you easily track your overall nutrient intake and see how balanced your diet is. The meal calorie breakdown chart helps you see which meals contribute most to your daily intake and adjust your diet for better balance. The daily calories chart shows your total calories for each day, helping you monitor your intake and stay on track with your nutrition goals. And one technical point, if you're using the Excel version of this report, we recommend using Excel 2021 or later to ensure all formulas work correctly. Also, please avoid opening the Excel file in Google Sheets. If you prefer working in Google Sheets, we suggest using the dedicated Google Sheets version of the report instead. Test the template by entering your own exercises and meals. You'll quickly see how simple it is to manage your workouts and nutrition in one place. The template is available for download via the link in the description. For more personalized solutions, our team can build custom tables tailored to any level of complexity. We also offer templates with resale rights, along with an open affiliate program for those interested. Thanks for watching and have a productive day.